Hello, hello. I think we're live. Yo, yo, yo. Let's pull up the chat. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hang on, guys. Sorting some stuff. Just gotta get logged in. Hello, hello. Are we live? Testing, testing. Yo, yo, yo. Okay. Sorry, guys. Haven't live streamed in a while. Trying to get going here. What's up, Court? Blessing and peace, brothers and sisters. What's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. Let me try and here we go. Okay, good. We are live. And let me try and pull the link. We're just gonna be chilling for an hour or so. Okay, here we go. Just want to share this out. Exit out of this. No, dude, leave. XRP USD. Cool. And then I'm going to try and share this out really quick on my X. Bear with me. But we'll be live here for like an hour, just chilling and chatting. So drop your questions in the chat. We're just going to look at the XRP chart, maybe take a look at some of the meme coins. Haven't been live in a while, and I got like an hour before I head out to church. So it's like, I'll just chill for a bit. Say what's up. If you're hopping in, say what's up in the chat. Daniel, good to see you. Good to see you. Hit church this morning. It was a good one. Awesome to hear. I've been slacking on church, man. I was an atheist most of my life. I wasn't really religious until it was a long process, but I started praying a little over a year ago, and the night that I prayed, the next day it was answered, and I've been praying every night since, and my life has only gotten better. So church, I've been slacking. I've started reading the Bible at the beginning of the year, almost probably like 2/3 of the way through. My first read through cover to cover. And then, yeah, church, I've gone a couple times, but trying to gain my bearings first and figure out like I need to go test out some churches and see which one feels right. So I'm going to my buddies that I've had my buddy since high school. I'm gonna go to his Catholic church today and try it out. Court looks like a higher low. 3 times usually get a break to the upside or downside, or fake outs too. Looks bullish though. Dude, yeah, this is just insane to see for XRP, man. We've been waiting for this for forever. We got this trend line here, but the important one was really like this. So crazy bullish in my opinion. I think we're headed a lot higher. I know some people are upset because XLM is kind of pumping a bit more. But again, XLM's a bit of a lower market cap, so had a little bit more upside. But I think XRP is still going to be the really, really big winner, in my opinion. But look, if we want to take like a minimum measured move, right? Takes this to like $11, $12. Dude, I'm just excited. I'm excited to see once we're breaking all-time highs and truly going ballistic and parabolic. Dude, how's that going to roll over into the memes? I think it's going to be absolutely mad. I think we're in store for a crazy couple months here of alt season, bull run, complete euphoria and mania, and should get very, very exciting. Daniel, brother, that is amazing. Definitely want to make sure your personal relationship with Christ is solid, then church for sure. Catholic as well. You'll love it, especially once you dive into the faith. Yeah, I'm a little unsure denomination wise. I do like I feel like Catholic churches are more, I don't know, just like the architecture themselves of the churches and the way they're built. It feels very holy and divine. Uh, but I got to do more research. I got to finish my first read through of the Bible, then truly look into Catholicism in particular. We won't go too deep into my religious thoughts right now, but yeah, no, it's definitely been a journey, and like I said, since the night that I started praying, my life has only gotten better. So glory to God, and happy to be here. Grateful for where we're at right now. Feels like everything kind of has just played out perfectly. A lot of people working on drop in particular, right? It's a lot of us are believers, and it really does feel like divine timing. Even the ones that aren't necessarily Christian, they are very spiritual, and they do believe. Dude, why does this keep popping up? How do I get out of this? Do I just need to log in? Give me a second, guys. Let me log in over here. So I can have this coin market cap sorted. All right, here we go. Now we're chilling. Now we got our charts up. Court, what is the XRP meme coins? So the XRP meme coins, it's the same way that, right, you have meme coins on top of the Ethereum blockchain, or really the Solana ones are the ones that most of retail are in on. But a little over a month ago, we had a platform called First Ledger launch, and people have been making meme coins on First Ledger. I'm on the team for this one called Drop community run. But you could see here like just a lot of meme coins. It's been fun stuff. Was a great opportunity, and I was lucky enough to get into it within the first hour or so of the website launching, because I was watching Alex Cobb's live stream, and it's been a crazy ride. I've been saying this for years, and the cup and handle setup on Drop is insane. So yeah, we can go look over at Drop. I'm loving the Drop chart. The Drop chart is looking great. It's just crazy with the right, because like technically we're still far from the all-time high, but we set new all-time highs in market cap because of the XRP price moving up. But yeah, this does, in my opinion, look like a great cup and handle. And it looks kind of like a breakout retest, honestly. As much as you can do TA on memes, right? Who knows how effective that actually is. YP, do you see the XRP retesting all-time highs by the end of the year? Thanks. Dude, I think we see all-time highs before the end of the year, in my opinion. With how explosive this breakout's been, what 100% is, that's what I'm thinking. Damn, it doesn't have my chart saved. So I'm on like an incognito window. here. This is what I've been looking at for XRP. All right, if we take on the weekly here, bars pattern. Obviously, right, it's not going to play out exactly the same as it did in 2017. But look at this. We're following a pretty nice structure here, if you ask me. We got a big green candle. This one didn't go quite as high. This is what I was saying. If you're super bullish and wanted super hopium, we could have seen all-time highs by the end of this weekly candle. That obviously doesn't look like it's going to happen right now. But the speed at which this thing moved when it was time and it broke out, 2 weeks, we were in all-time highs. We like tagged an all-time high, pulled back for 3 weeks or so, and then we started going again. And that's when we saw a big push. So I think by the end of the year, for sure, we could be seeing all-time highs. Tomorrow bags to gazillion. Hopefully DEX Screener live tomorrow and bags go to the moon. Daniel, no doubt I hear a lot of people say that this run is going to be end around May, but honestly, I think XRP with administration might go longer. What do you think? Look, man, I'm a gigabull, right? I'd love to see this thing go forever, but I do understand how these markets normally work based on, I mean, I've been in it for 3 years. I haven't been around for multiple cycles, but I've stared at the charts for a long time. I've watched a lot of creators and people do analysis and stuff, and it does seem when we get these crazy parabolic euphoric runs, it normally does last a few months tops. Once things get really bananas, it can't go really bananas forever. So I mean, I could see a scenario, right, where we play out similar again to this run, where we get this insane euphoria until the beginning of next year, set a crazy high, then consolidate for maybe 6-7 months. And then we have some more catalysts come in and we get one more final push. I don't think we're headed to $140, but I could see like $20 to $40, which for some people, they think that's crazy. Why is my desktop audio? Sorry, I was getting a phone call on Discord. Let me exit out of that. Tomorrow, no doubt. Yeah, so I mean, I would love to see like a crazy run that just continues forever, but honestly, that's not very realistic in my opinion. Court, do you follow Mr. Poole and the Bear and Decoders too? If so, they act like Christmas is going to bring a smile on most of the holders. I mean, I see some of that stuff, man. I just don't really buy into most of it, to be honest. Like, I hope. I mean, I'm a conspiracy guy. Don't get me wrong, and I hope that this stuff is true, and we do get a crazy like flip of the switch moment that just sends everything completely sky. I'd love for that to happen, but I'll believe it when I see it. So, would rather not get caught up in all the insanity and hopium and then get caught holding the bag. Got to be responsible and take profits. Because that's the thing. If this is just going to be like the other cycles and we just get a few months of insanity and euphoria, our emotions will take over, right? It's going to get really exciting and it's going to be a lot harder to sell than it was to buy at the lows. Buying at the lows was easy compared to what selling at the top is going to feel like, in my opinion. So, got to make sure that we capitalize on the opportunity of the moment that we're in, and make sure we're getting money out and doing what we got to do to all change our lives. Because I do believe in XRP in the long term for sure, and that's why XRP is the one for me, along with HBAR. But regardless of that, got to make sure to de-risk and got to make sure that, you know, we actually are able to change our lives with this run and not just sit on unrealized gains and ride it up and then back down and then have to wait another 4 years or something. And like, that's not what we're here for. Again, I'm gonna hold the substantial bag of XRP regardless, and that's like a forever bag for me. But yeah, you get the idea. R1, A1, A7, greetings from Poland, brother. Greetings, my friend. Happy to have you here. Poland. I'd love to visit one day. I want to go on a whole Europe tour, maybe next summer after this is all said and done, and get some time to rest. Been way too locked in on the PC for the past month or so. And I don't see that ending anytime soon. But yeah, this is the bullish opium scenario. $20 by January. Well, let's see it happen, man. I would love to see it. Are we loading? What the heck is going on, man? No, hello from South Africa. What's up, No? Long time no see. There we go. Now my stuff's popping up on the charts. Perfect. Weekly. There we go. Yeah, extreme bullish hopium scenario here. But leave your tickers. I'll look at some of your coins. I'll look at some meme coins if you guys want. Let me know in the comments. Leave a little something in the chat and I'll take a look. Nothing too crazy today. Like I said, I just want to hop on for an hour or so before I head to church. So, Court, I'm happy that Ripple supposedly gave Harris millions in XRP. So no, it wasn't Ripple. It was Chris Larson, one of the chairmans or co-founders. But Brad and Stuart Alderati, some of the other guys up there, were supporting Trump. So I think it's just optics. Doesn't really make a difference at the end of the day. I know a lot of people were freaking out about that when it happened, but so do you have like a risk pyramid pipe scheme pull out as XRP goes higher, and if so, how much? Like 50% hold and the rest? I'm not sure exactly how much I'll hold. I had like a pretty solid plan in place of sorts before First Ledger came around and the meme coins, but that's changing a lot because my positions are, again, glory to God, thankfully growing. So I have to evaluate in conjunction with where all the memes are at and how much XRP I'm able to actually make. But yeah, I'll scale out as we go up. My first sell area will be around $5. I'm gonna pull out all the money I've invested over the past 3 years or so at $5, 5 to 6. Then I'll probably sell some more when we get closer to 10, and as we push through 10, probably 25% of the bag will be for holding long term, no matter what. On the off chance we do get a crazy flip the switch moment and just completely go sky. I think that's probably going to be what the plan is, but got to play it on the fly, play it by ear, see how things are happening, because if drop goes nuts and some of these other meme coins go absolutely nuts, forget about it. Gonna definitely throw a wrench in the mix and change plans up. When are we gonna see $589, Milk? I don't know. I hope hopefully in a month. Hopefully next week. Hopefully tomorrow we see 589. That would be great. I would not be complaining one bit. If we saw 589 tomorrow, oh man, I'd be reinvesting it all into drop. Not like buying drop, but to make the for exchange listings, for all this other stuff. So many expenses, dude. It's crazy how much goes in to running and managing a meme coin. It's retarded. Like, I don't know how a lot of people even do this. Thankfully, I've met a lot of good people with various skill sets and various resources, and we've been able to pull things together, and the community's helped that a lot as well. So, but holy, getting listed on stuff, partnerships, all these things it takes so much to do. Court, you can buy drop. If you look at the links in my description, I have a link to First Ledger, a referral link. You click on that and you just create a wallet over there, fund it with some XRP, and then you could buy memes on First Ledger. But as I always say, with meme coins, please do not put in more than you can afford to lose. Treat it like you're going to the casino and gambling. do it for fun. Expect that it could all be gone tomorrow. But yeah, there is a lot of potential with the memes if you play it smart and you connect with the right people and do the right research. There's a lot of potential there, but please do not put serious money in that could harm you if you lost it, because they're meme coins at the end of the day. They could drop 50% tomorrow. It is what it is, right? Be smart. Can we play with drop on any casinos? Yes, you can actually play on Skelly bets. You could use drop. Michael, thank you for the membership, man. Appreciate it. Love always seeing you around. Love your participation in the drop community, making memes, always active, having a good time. But yeah. Go if you want to play an online casino. Go to Skelly Bets. Here, I'll look it up right now for you. Skelly Bets. We are Skelly Bets is partnered with Drop, so you can play. You can move your drop over to Skelly Bets and gamble over here. So if you feel like being a real degen, Daniel, any thoughts on Mitch Coin? Yeah, dude, Mitch Coin bullish. Mitch has hopped on and helped out with drop a bunch. They're making a ton of bots for the XRPL. They made a buy bot. They're working on a volume bot, building a lot behind the scenes. Mitch has been awesome. So I have some Mitch, bullish on Mitch Coin. Yes. Milk LFG. Wim V. Wervin. Hey man, things are going well. That holiday in Bali is in sight. Keep it up, mate. Are you going to Bali or are you talking about me? I don't really have a Bali trip planned at the moment, but I'll definitely get out there at some point after all this is said and done. Yeah. If you're going to Bali, yeah, keep looking forward to it, man. You're going to enjoy for sure. No, just my opinion. I'm not 100% bullish yet for XRP. I went on past patterns, and normally about this time, the next 4 to 5 days, we have a big pullback to flush out leverage traders. Yeah, so that's definitely something I've been aware of. I would not be surprised at all to see some kind of pullback here. I mean, we're getting one now. We're bouncing a little bit. Let's go to a smaller time frame. But I think we for sure could see like a big wick down to scare out some leverage. I could see it wicking as low as like 70 cents or something to retest this big range that we were in, right? I don't think it's likely, but it definitely could happen. And that would be a buy if you have sideline money for sure, in my opinion. But I think it's clear that we got the really big breakout that we've been waiting for, and we're headed to all-time highs. We're headed much higher in short order. So any big liquidation or scare event, I think, is for buying. But that's my opinion. Wimby Wervin, I have 2 holdings, XRP and HBAR. Same. Read a lot about XRP, but HBAR quite little. Could you also show a graph of HBAR when the next breakout is and maybe low or how high? HBAR also seems heavily undervalued. Yeah, no, I agree. HBAR is, like I said, those are my two plays. HBAR had a crazy breakout past few days. It was nuts because they had that ETF filing, and they pumped like 7.5. Then they pulled back to 5, and it was a crazy buy right there because then the next 2 days or next 2 weeks, it's just shot up to almost back to these highs around 19 cents. So really the important level here is like 19 to 25, 26 cents, in my opinion. Once we break that, I think we send to all-time highs. And the market cap for HBAR is a lot lower, right? So that's not what I wanted. So, I mean, if we just take the Fibonacci's and look for the 4236, that's like $2.30. Bro, come on. I think that's easy for HBAR. Fully diluted market cap around there is like 100-something billion. That's not even a lot in my opinion. 115, 130 billion. I don't think that's crazy at all for HBAR. One of the best layer ones. Most use cases. Tons of partnerships. The governing council on HBAR is crazy. Milk, thank you for the membership. Appreciate it, my friend. Thank you. So yeah, H bar I think is going to have a very explosive bull run because we also have that narrative forming now with Trump, uh, being friendly to U.S. crypto companies like XRP, H bar, XLM, and if he does no taxes on U.S. cryptos, dude, forget about it. All of these utility coins that are based here in the U.S., they're going to go nuts. They're going sky, no question about it in my mind. We also have rumors, right? I'm seeing that there's going to be an emergency settlement. If we get that settlement for the case, that'll be nuts too. Only going to help. And what else was it? Oh yeah, rumors of Brad joining Trump's like administration as a crypto advisor. That would be nuts. There's just so many positive catalysts now on the horizon. So hold a top 10% bag milk. Damn. No capital gains tax would be nuts. That's what we're waiting for, man. No capital gains. Hopefully RLUSD comes live here soon so we could transfer our XRP. Like we could take profit into RLUSD on chain and we never even have to move off chain. That would be nice. No, between 7th and 10th of December, I might sell the house and family, then go all in on XRP. Yeah, if we get a pullback to like 70 cents, I'm telling you, that's a crazy buy. Yep, only XRP and H bar for me. Yep. That's my perspective as well. XRP, H bar, those are the two. But yeah, we'll go back to the smaller time frame here for a sec. What the heck? So, I mean, what can we even look at? Like we got a clear impulse up. I don't really the small time frame TA is just I think it's all kind of noise. But you could say, right? Look, I'll give you a little hopium that we might have already bottomed. We kind of came back, filled this little inefficiency, retested this previous high, and now we're bouncing off. Milk, I'm curious how you feel about Drop Junior and Lady Drop. They're derivatives of Drop. Dude, so yeah, Drop set the meta, man. Drop made the meta. And that's what it's going to be on First Ledger and on XRP. All these Drop coins. Drop Junior at 88K. Holy, yeah, this thing's mooning. I don't think any of them will ever be on the same level as Drop, but I think they'll do well as Drop derivatives if they got people actually running them and creating shit. Drop Junior, LADP. Lady Drop 220K, man. Dude, it's funny because when this one came out, they didn't even have a proper logo set up, I remember. But I saw when it came out. It's funny. Snow Guy. Let's look at Snow Guy. I don't see Snow Guy on here, man. It's not an XRP meme. I don't look at the Solana memes and all that nonsense. We're XRP on-chain only. But it's looking like we might get DEX Screener today or tomorrow. And dude, I know First Ledger has been saying they have marketing ready to go when DEX Screener integration goes live. And hopefully some big people in the crypto space are going to be onboarding people into First Ledger and the XRP memes. But look at this, right? Let's give you some more hopium. Let's go to log scale. I like log scale more, man. Right? We have a cup and handle. Breakout of the handle. Okay. We're doing some amateur TA here. Breakout of the handle. And what else do we have? Got like a inverse head and shoulders forming. You know what that means, right? We go sky. Send it sky, bro. I know a lot of us on the team are hoping, DEX Screener and new inflows. I think once this thing breaks out and can get going and we break this high, I think Drop can easily head to 50 to 100 million. And with the way meme coins move, man, it could happen faster than we even think. once the euphoria sets in and the mania, things can get crazy. So, but hopefully we get this XRP bounce coming in and take out these highs and push past $2, push into all-time highs. Oh, crazy time to be alive. Feels good to be in an exciting market finally. Going to the moon, my man. Yes, sir, Michael. Going to the moon. Any other XRP meme coins you want me to do my amateur analysis on? Chat about? I was thinking about hopping in Discord and letting people in the drop community hop in and say what's up and chat for a bit. I got maybe like 20 minutes left before I gotta head out. I'm running to the bathroom real quick. Be back in 2 seconds. We're back. We're back. Daniel, my man, with the 5. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, guys. You don't donate, okay? You don't have to donate. I don't. We're okay with the money, man. But I appreciate it, man. Thank you, Daniel. Michael, I still have millions of coded. I missed the whole dump thing. What happened, dude? I won't speak on coded too much. It was kind of a shit show. Where's it at? 36K. We tried to do a thing, and like one of the guys that was working with us took it over, and it looked like some bad actors at once pulled out and started to make this thing dump, and then the guy that was running it also dumped. It was kind of a mess. I think they still have people working on it over there, but no, we learned our lesson over at Drop. Like we just can't even worry about other projects. Whole focus Drop only. Partnering just adds risk because there's a lot of shady people in the space, man. And you never know what people are going to do that you meet on the internet. And when things go up, they get greedy. They see a lot of money. And yeah. So if you still have some coded, man, hold on to it if you want. Join the Telegram. I think that, like I said, I think there's still some people working on it, trying to get it going. But yeah, it's all risky stuff, right? Meme coins. That was an unfortunate scenario. Yeah, you could hold on. Like, we're still really early in the ecosystem, and a lot of these things, I think, have potential to do more once we get on DEX Screener and we have more exposure. What do you think about this lady drop worth holding? Look, man, that's up to you. I think like I said, I think the drop derivatives will probably be a play to some extent. They will never be as big as drop is, but they could pump. They could keep up. Like, play as beta plays to actual drop. Right? You got lady drop, and then you have droplet, and then you have droplet's dead compared to lady drop though. Then you have drop tardio. I think this one's been my favorite one that's come out. Drop tardio, man. And then drop junior. So you got all these drop derivatives coming out. This one's hilarious. So I mean, the drop derivatives could be a play, but yeah, there's like Michael just said, there's only one drop, and drop will continue to be the leader in my opinion. Webjutsu says ice. I was actually in ice right when it launched, and I faded. I sold really quick, but I know that the guy on ice is working hard on it. It seems he's in spaces all the time. So yeah, I think ice could do well too. And he kind of like did his own branding. It was the element meta that happened. right? There was flame, and then there was ice and wind and all these different elements. That was a meta for a whole day. Everyone was going crazy with it. So yeah, ice looks cool. I think the thing with all these memes, right, is it's very unique to the XRPL. Like we have our own meta, and I know some people tend to be on the side of, oh, once we get more people coming from other chains, they're going to go to stuff that they're familiar with. But I think having stuff that's unique, that's leading the ecosystem, is going to do better than stuff that's derivative from other chains. Like we set our own new meta. Like you're not going to get another Pepe to go to 1 billion. Like that's just my opinion. Like the next $1 billion coin is going to be something unique. It's going to be a new movement, a new community that people can rally behind. But I think a lot of these projects will still do well, like these derivative ones. You can still make a lot of money, but the big picture of what's going to go absolutely nuts and be the face of the ledger, it's going to be something unique, which I of course think that's drop. Uh, but you got other good stuff too. Like I think Bear is a good unique meme. Right, Ripples comes under the water theme as well, and we're working with Ripples pretty closely. Uh, Bert, a bird, also unique, can go. I think that has a lot of potential to go. I got big bags of a lot of stuff, man. Right. I think everyone's gonna succeed and everything's gonna rise together. And another good one, right? Tabby. You want a dog meme? Tabby is one that I loaded up a good bit on a week or so ago. I do like Tabby a lot. They were one of the OGs. They pumped really hard early on. They launched with a huge liquidity pool, one of the first ones to do that. The one thing I didn't like about Tabby, why I didn't get in early, was because I didn't like their icon, but now that they've been able to change that, I like this one. That's why I loaded up. Got a decent bag. Scrap will probably do well too, as the first meme coin on the ledger. Another dog. Flippy, another unique one, right? Flip the switch, relative to or relevant to the XRPL. Brito, also relevant to the XRPL, unique. So you got a lot of good stuff here, man. I like Graham. I like that Reaper Financials behind them. And I know that they're starting to get going on X2 and have their own Telegram finally, and they're building that community. My dad actually helped get that going, funnily enough. So tons of options, tons of stuff to look at. But really what we need, right? We need XRP itself, all-time high, full giga bull run, and then forget about it. I think the money flows down into the memes in the ecosystem, and yeah, we're all gonna hopefully be holding hands, singing Kumbaya. It'll be a great few months, in my opinion. Anything else y'all want me to look at? Like I said, nothing crazy today. Knew it would be a small stream. Just wanted to hop on, say what's up, chat for a little bit. Hopefully, yeah, I'm hoping we could get some momentum out of here to start the week and see XRP going again, breaking highs. I'd love to do another live stream while we're pumping. Like the one crazy live stream that I did where I actually got a lot of viewers. It was a Sunday or Saturday morning, and it was during this pump right here. And we thought this was the breakout because it broke the trend line. But that ended up not being it, unfortunately. But now it's all good. We're all the way up here, having a good time. Do you know any bot on First Ledger notification when new coin arrives? No, man, I don't. I know some people personally, I think, are making those for themselves, but there's nothing like publicly or readily available. Uh, the best way you could do it, I mean, this is how I was doing it the first couple weeks. You literally just go to First Ledger and sit on the new tokens page, and you just gotta sit here and refresh. New tokens have been nowhere near as lucrative as the first couple weeks. It's been a lot harder to play, but that's why I could hardly leave my house or leave my computer. I was just sitting there waiting if a new token would come out. And if you left and you missed a good launch, well, it sucks. You just missed out on an opportunity to make a lot of money. But that's how I was doing it. That's how I go about it. Sit here, refresh the page, see new launches. But we haven't had anything good launch in a while, man. A rich list. One of my IRL friends made this one last night. I helped him. I helped him get the Telegram going and told him how to set up his X properly. Uh, he's become quite infamous in the meme coin community, trolling in Zerp Zoo, and yeah, funny stuff. Michelle Obama. But yeah, hopefully we see some momentum come in here with DEX Screener going live and everything just starts sending and we can all make a bag. That's what I'm hoping for. Drop some more tickers in the chat for me. Got like another 10 minutes. I'll probably hop out, get ready to go to church. XRP back near $1.40. It's crazy that people are complaining that we're dumping, quote unquote, right? After we run from freaking 50 cents to $1.60 in 2 weeks and we pull back 20 cents. Oh, we want to look at sand. Dude, I got in sand right away when this one came out. And I was able to make a lot of money. They attacked me on X because they were upset that I was selling my position. I never even nuked their chart. I could have nuked their chart, but I didn't. But I took a lot of profit. I'm all out of sand, but I did like this one from the beginning. I could tell it was like the first good drop derivative of sorts that came out, like elements. And it had a good run at the start. Then it took a while. Then it had that crazy day where it just ran to 1 million. But then they pulled back, and yeah, I'm all out of my sand position, especially after they attacked me on X. I was like, I'm done. I'm getting all out now. I was nice with them early on too. I was DMing them and like trying to offer some help on how to sort their liquidity pool, because that was their big issue off the jump, was their liquidity wasn't very good. But alas, did not pan out. But I think they're being run by different people now, so wish them the best. Hope that they do well. Oh, Snapball, yeah. I mean, dude, being in the limelight, like having my face out there and people knowing who I am and all the stuff I've been involved in on First Ledger, like getting drop going from the beginning, and a lot of people have not been happy because they will buy a top and then sell the bottom and lose money, and then they want to blame someone, but it is what it is. I know I'm not doing anything wrong. Only been trying to help since day one, and hey, we're doing a good job, so no weapon formed against me shall prosper, as the Lord says. Isaiah, what verse was that? Isaiah 54 verse 17, I think. So yeah, when these people come at me now, I'm like, dude, I'm taking the Andrew Tate approach. Just, I'm going to tell them, cry more. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Flame is dead. I don't think Flame's dead, man. I think Flame's bouncing pretty hard. That was another one. I had a good position, but then what happened? Yeah, Flame's bouncing nicely right now. What happened with Flame, I'm pretty certain, was apparently this was started by the same guy that started PayPay and rugged PayPay. And he sniped a good position, and then he basically rugged Flame also. But now Flame's also being run by the community, got taken over, run by different people. So optimistic on it. I had a good bag. I got out after the Flame, like the dev started selling. So I'm out of my position on Flame, but I think Flame can definitely do well. I think the branding's good, the logo's good. So as long as the people running it are working hard and they're honest, yeah, this one can do well also. So don't think it's dead. Anything like over a few 100K, it's not dead, man. ATM's getting a nice little pump here. Nice little bounce. Love to see this thing go to 10 million also. Got a nice position in ATM. Yeah, man, I would hold your Flame. I think Flame will bounce. It'll come back. Like especially with drop leading and being the face of everything, the other elements I think will do well, and the drop derivatives will do well to an extent if they're being run well and they're being pushed properly, and you have an active team working on them. I think they'll do good, but who knows? Like I always say, meme coin space, Wild West, gambling, anything could get wrecked tomorrow and go to zero. So play with money you're willing to play with, not money that you need. I don't know how much more clear I can make that. But yeah. Well, if you guys don't really have anything else for me, I'll probably wrap it up here. Just wanted to hop on for a little bit. Try and hop on a little bit more every now and then. Try and get the videos back on track, uploading more frequently. Seems like we're starting to be able to take our foot off the gas a little bit because we have so many people helping out with so many different things now that it gives us a little room to breathe working on drop. And great to see that XRP is finally moving. That's the big thing, right? So nice to see the market moving. And Bitcoin will probably be 100K soon. XRP all-time highs. Oh, can't wait. We're in for a ride. We're in for a good time, and I'm just glad we could all be here to experience it together. So yeah, thank you guys for hopping in. Thank you for chilling with me, chatting with me for 45 minutes or so, and try and hop on again soon. But enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Go to church if you haven't. I'm about to head out. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.